Today you're going to be using the databases we offer here at Middletown. In order to get there, you're going to start by going to education.fcps.org/mhs/home. Once you're at the Middletown homepage, you can click on Media Center. The first thing you'll do is go to the grid and find the Gale databases right here, the green button. Today you're going to be using two of the Gale databases, Student Resources and Context and Opposing Viewpoints. Both are set up in a similar structure. You probably won't have to enter a password when you are at school, but if you do, the password is Knights, all lowercase. Once you're at the Gale databases, the first thing you want to do is sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, everything that you look at and today will be tied to your Google account, and you'll be able to save items and connect them to your Google Drive. So by this point you should have picked an amendment to focus on. I am just going to focus on the First Amendment as an example. So I'm going to type this into the search engine. Your assignment requires you to look at news articles, so we're going to jump over here to the right hand side, this column, and we're only going to look at news. Once I click news, then I can look at the most recent news articles, and it looks like that they are listed according to date, and we can even change that, so I'm going to change that to date. Okay, so I have articles from the past couple days, and you're not going to want to just pick the very first article you see. You can click on it and look at the article and see if it will fit your requirements. If you decide to go with this article, for example, then the next thing you'll do is you can either download it to your Google Drive, and once you click download, it will create a folder called Student Resources and Context in your Google Drive. One of the items you will need is a citation, so we're going to come over here to our toolbox and click on Citation Tools. Then you have the most recent edition of the MLA, and you can copy and highlight that. Okay. You'll put that into the doc. So if I go to my drive, and you should already have this document pulled up. Okay. Okay, so here's our assignment. And the very first item is article citation. So I've copied that citation, and all I have to do is paste it into there. The formatting is going to be slightly off, so you might want to adjust that. Alright, because I'm in a table, it's not going to let me adjust the format of the citation, so just leave it as is. Okay, and then I am focusing on the First Amendment. And After you read the article, you're going to include a summary. And then after you complete the summary, you're going to answer this question: how does this amendment affect our lives today? Okay, so again, just to review, I will actually use the second database option, opposing viewpoints. Again, it's the password is Knights, but you're going to be using the same strategies. So in the search bar, I will type First Amendment. Okay. And then again, I'm looking only at news articles for right now. One thing I forgot to do is make sure you sign in with Google. This will connect it to your Google Drive. Alright, so I'm only looking at news articles, and I want to find the most recent articles. And this time I'm not going to choose the first option that comes up. I'm going to maybe scroll through and find something that might fit my purpose a little bit better. So maybe I want to read okay. White House says Trump's tax returns was illegally published. So maybe I want to focus on this article. Okay. And I'll scan through and see if this is exactly what I want, if it fits my purpose. I'll grab that citation, copy it, go back to my Bill of Rights document. I decided I'm going to go with the other article, First Amendment, and then again, I'm summarizing and then answering this critical response question. If you have any questions about how to access the Gale databases, you can ask me or Mr. Donald.